Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and this is my 41st vlog, so welcome back. Lots going on last week. I finally got my website up for you guys. I've been working on all my listings and photos and all that stuff for my glitter. It's like I said, I'm happy that my Tumblr shop isn't open right now because I wouldn't be able to swing all this. It's a lot. Speaking of a lot, tomorrow, which is Monday, I'm getting all of my containers finally to store my glitters in because I already have my shakers and stuff are done. You know, I still have to put most of the labels on them, but the containers to actually store them in my craft room are coming tomorrow, and they're actually being delivered with a giant semi truck because there's so many. So that ought to be pretty interesting. I'll make sure to get some footage and I'll show you guys next Sunday how that all went. So, but those fine glitters are coming soon. So I'm very excited and I hope you are too. Now, speaking of my Tumblr shop, I do have people reach out to me from time to time if I can make something and when I'm going to be back open. So, I mean, most of the time I do accept those orders as long as, you know, it's nothing too crazy. But I did one last week. I did a torn nebula for somebody that requested it for her daughter's birthday. And then I had somebody just reach out to me Friday night and ask about my tooled leather tumbler that I showed you guys. And she wants like cheetah printer on the top and her monogram and all that stuff. So I'm going to be starting on that today as well. Another thing that I want to try out, because I know you guys remember my tutorial for the robin's egg wine glasses, and I talked about how I wanted to put like a chocolate drip around the top. Now, I left mine plain, but you guys, I have so many ideas going through my head. This would be so cute on a stainless tumbler with like a chocolate drip around the top and maybe some Easter themed stuff at the bottom. I mean, there's so many different ideas you guys could come up with this. We're going to be doing that today together as well. So lots of fun stuff to do. You guys may have noticed that my merchandise shelf is finally up. I finally figured that out. I mean, hey, look at me. So you'll see all my merchandise stuff through Teespring down below if you want to check it out. I mean, it's not a big deal. You don't have to. I'm just saying. Not a big deal. But I have my coffee and I bought this. Look at that. It says what the cluck on the front. And then it says on the back, sometimes you just gotta say cluck it and walk away. But I thought that was really cute. There we go. Has like the chicken wire all around it. I bought this through one of my VIP members on my Facebook group. You guys know I like to buy every once in a while from people. So I have a couple more that are coming. I have one more I'm going to show you this afternoon for my afternoon drink. And then I have another one that's coming soon too. Now that's by Southern Scented Gifts on Etsy. And I'll make sure to put her shop into the description below so that you guys can show her some love. Check out her shop. And I also bought, I think they're called Freshies. I hope I'm saying that right. I'll have to look. But, you know, the little scented things with the beads. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I bought one of those too. It's a cute little cow. It's already in my car. Maybe I'll show you guys a picture later. But it smells like Macintosh apple and it's so cute. And the kids absolutely love the way it smells. So I bought one of those as well from her because, I mean, her thing was called Southern Scented Gifts, so I think she started out doing that first and then started making the tumblers as well. But like I said, I have my coffee. I'm ready to wake, prep, and slay all day. Let's do this. Well, I was just about to show you guys doing a drip on my little bird tumblers here, but then I seen the mailman roll up and I was like, what? Because it's Sunday and they shouldn't be delivering, right? But they did deliver. Now, I had ordered these paints because I got some Chrissy Taylor Pantheon paints from her. And I swear I ordered them Friday and they were here today. So perfect timing because I actually need them for a couple projects that I'm going to be doing. So here they are. I'll go ahead and read that top for you guys. These are an acrylic chalk paint made for artists with a clay base that gives added coverage and a superb matte finish. Now I went ahead and I ordered 2 ounces of every color she had because I already know that I'm going to love them. Now I'm going to be using them here on something that I got to do for that order I was talking to you guys about, the tooled tumbler order that I have going on. So I'm going to be using them, one of them here in a minute, but these paints are just amazing. I know there's a lot of you in colder climates that just can't go outside and spray paint, and these are an excellent alternative to spray paint if you just can't make it outside to do that. Now, in case you guys didn't know, she actually has a YouTube channel and she posts a lot of different videos where she shows how she uses her paints. She does amazing work. I'll make sure to drop her YouTube channel down below in the description if you want to check it out and see all the fun stuff she creates. Okay, back to my chocolate drips here. Now I did mix up some epoxy already and I added some glitter to it. This is my glitter that I'm going to be releasing soon. This is called Suede, but you guys can use any type of brown acrylic paint or any type of brown you have on hand if this is something you'd like to do to those robin's egg bird tumblers that you're doing. I think the hardest part with any drip, is waiting and just waiting and waiting. Now, I know people do drips all kinds of different ways. I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm just waiting for my epoxy to get thick enough to be able to layer it onto the side of my cups. And all I'm doing is taking my spatula every so often, and I will take a little bit and just wipe it right on the side of my cup and see if it runs too fast or too slow, and gauge from there if it's ready to go or not. All right, it's time. I think my epoxy is good enough. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my spatula and do just like how I did on the edge of my cup. I'm just going to take a little bit on my spatula and just wipe it right onto the edge of the cup there and just go completely around my glass that way. What I like to do after I do that is I'll come back through with the glitter and I'll put a lot more glitter back onto the outside of that epoxy as well. It'll just kind of help set it even more and give it a little bit more sparkle to it too. And then of course with any extra epoxy, I'll make it into a coaster that can be used with the cups. So here they are spinning. I'm just going to, well, I already did this one, but I'm going to take my brush and swipe off all the extra glitters that got on there from me putting the glitters on top there. And then after they're dry a little bit more, I still gotta wipe some more of that glitter off. After they are dry, I'll come through and just kind of clean up around the edges just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some decals to those, and then I'll apply one more coat of epoxy, and these will be ready to sip out of. So here's this one. I just kind of get my brush up in there, sweep it out, get it all out of there, catch it on my little paper underneath here, and there she goes. So I was so excited to try out my Pantheon paints. There we go. I know what I'm saying. I was so excited to try them. I couldn't wait because this was that order I was telling you guys about that somebody asked if I could make for them, and I was like, sure, I would love to make it. I'm kind of excited to try out this different variation of things going on the tumbler. So I can't wait to see how this turns out. So I went ahead and applied my Pantheon paints for my base color, and it is so smooth. I can't even tell you guys. It's amazing. I'm so happy that I didn't have to go outside because the weather's not, so nice right now. So I was so excited to use this, but look at that. One coat, and I think she's good. I'm gonna go ahead and set that off to the side to dry. You can use your little heat gun or blow dryer to help it dry a little bit quicker. And it is going to get a little bit darker after it dries. As you can see here, it is a matte finish, and it's just a tad darker, but it is a perfect base for my gold glitter that I'm about to add. The base for this is just going to be another fine glitter that I'm releasing soon. This is called Golden, and it's another metallic, true to color glitter, and it is so soft, and I just can't wait for you guys to be able to use it as well. With any fine glitters, all I am using is just a very small amount of epoxy. I use 2 of those fingertips fulls for this 20 ounce here. That's it. I'm going to completely wipe that around my tumbler. Then I am just going to load up my glitter all over this tumbler. It's completely different than chunky glitter. Chunky glitter, you want it to lay flat, but this, you want to just load it up as much as possible. And really, it doesn't take much. It really doesn't, to give it that absolutely beautiful sparkle that you are after. Then, because we don't apply barely any epoxy to this, just enough to make sure everything sticks good, I'm going to do the hang method. That's it. That's all I'm going to do with this so far. And for those of you who don't know what the hang method is, it's just simply because we didn't add a lot of epoxy. Those glitters are not going to shift at all. It doesn't need to go on your spinner. You just put it up, stand it upright on whatever you use to stand your tumblers up, and let it cure that way before you add your next coat of epoxy. Now, I know you guys noticed I had a lot of extra epoxy. That's okay. I'm going to make a matching coaster for my customer. If you're watching, you're getting a coaster as well. I'm just letting you know. When I do coasters like these, if you notice, it's almost like a paste when I apply my epoxy and glitter into my coaster. That just really makes sure that those glitters aren't going to go anywhere. They're going to stay put exactly where I want them. The colors that I'm putting into this coaster are the same colors that are going to be going onto this tumbler as well. There's going to be black, gold, and teal. And she wants her monogram on it as well, so I'll make sure to add that to the coaster also, so that way she's nice and matchy-matchy with her tumbler. And I'll make sure to show you guys that next Sunday when this is all done. Now, just like a cake, you want to give it a couple taps to help get out any air bubbles you don't want in there. Then you want to spritz it down with some rubbing alcohol, and that'll be a very pretty coaster to match her tumbler. All right, we got a lot done today, as usual. I got the drip cups going back there. Now, my mom and dad are coming to visit next week. Remember for my other vlogs, I told you guys I hadn't seen them in so long, and I was pretty sad that they couldn't come for Christmas, but with just how everything is, it just wasn't possible at the time. So they actually finally get to come next week, so that'll be fun. So you guys will get to see them again. I don't know if you guys remember her making a tumbler with me last time they were here, which was forever ago. But those are going to be for me and her. I think I'm going to put Mama across one and Grandma across the other. So with the bird behind it, it'll be Mama Bird and Grandma Bird type thing. But I'm going to be making a tumbler for my dad as well. I'm not going to make him make it. I should, but I'm not going to make him make it. It's going to be very simple, and he's going to find it hilarious. And I've seen this around, and I just instantly thought of him when I seen the design. So we're going to be making that next Sunday together, because I don't think I want to do a tutorial about it. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, you'll see. You'll see. You have to stay tuned for next Sunday, but extremely simple. Now, I did move on to my afternoon drink. So here that is. This is another tumbler that I purchased through somebody in my VIP group. Now, this is from Forever Young Tumblers, which I believe I've purchased from her before. I purchased her lighted Christmas tumbler. You guys might remember that. But I seen this, and I just had to have it. Look how pretty that is. Says, today is a good day for a good day. And ain't that the truth? Now, this glitter on the bottom is actually my rose opal. And look at that. Look how amazing that looks on black. I fell in love with it when I seen it, so I had to have one. So I'll make sure to put her shop into the description below. And again, that was Forever Young Tumblers. And you guys go show her some love, like her stuff, see what she's doing. Now I got started on that one. There we go. That one. That one's probably ready for its next coat of epoxy. I should go ahead and do that, so that way I can finish with another coat of epoxy and then get its decals and stuff applied, the paint and all that stuff put onto it. But I'll make sure to show you guys how that looks next week as well, because I want to finish that up this week. And I do tell everybody 2 to 3 weeks when they do order from me outside of my business hours, but I mean, I just have this stuff going on, so it's fun to kind of just do little projects here and there for people. I do enjoy, I mean, obviously I do enjoy making tumblers. That's what this is all about. And I kind of miss it. It's been a little bit, but like I said earlier, I've just been so busy with everything else. I want to go ahead and get this done, and then I can start doing my tumbler business again, which I'm pretty excited about. Charlotte came out to interrupt me because she wants a popsicle. She's so excited for this popsicle. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you the popsicle. Okay. Yeah, that's me. She's trying to give me on here the popsicle. Okay. All right. Why don't you go back inside? I'll be in a second. Okay, baby. You go back inside. I'll be in. Okay. She's covered in popsicle. You're silly. Is that a good popsicle? Oh, okay, that's good. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for me today. I got started on my next tutorial that's coming this week. I'm pretty excited about it, so I can't wait to upload it or get it finished and upload it and all that other jazz for you guys. Right? Right, okay. So I'll be getting that tutorial done. That'll be up this week. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.